Good evening and welcome to Jim Only's World of Weather. You clicked on to Long Range Weather Forecast discussion for April 20th to May 2nd. Models and ensembles depict a zonal flow across much of the nation, as you can see here on the GFS, with a trough here over western Canada and Alaska, and we have a broad area of near to above normal heights across much of the nation. We're going to look at now the temperature differences. This is the GFS during this period. Temperatures are forecast to average as much as 20 degrees above normal in the west and about 10 to 15 degrees across the east central U.S. during this period. This is the European deterministics, and they shows temperatures same 10 to 15 degrees and 10 to 15 degrees below normal in the east, and as much as 20 degrees a parts of the west, especially the southwest. The combination of northern and southern stream energy may result in a significant rainfall event from the south central plains northeast to the Great Lakes. Okay, now we're going to look at the period for April 23rd to the 27th. So here we are, the 23rd. Most models show this a trough here, a broad area above normal heights across this area. This is GFS. We go forward into the period, and you see that there's a little change. This is GFS ensembles, which we don't have. This is the European deterministics, showing pretty much the same thing. And I want to show you here the let me see the GFS. GFS is more amplified, and I'm going to show you this in a second. Where it is showing a trough here, trough over the upper Mississippi Valley, and a ridge with above normal heights over the east, and we have an area of below normal heights over the northeast Pacific, and we have a ridge further out over the North Atlantic. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures here, above normal temperatures from the plains to the Atlantic coast. For precipitation, forecasting below normal precipitation for this area here, and below normal precipitation also for the southeast. Now we're going to look at the period for April 28th to May 2nd. April 28th. So now we're going to go to April 28th. This is the GFS. As again, the GFS has a deep trough over the east during this period, more to the east. We have a trough here. That's the GFS. Here is the European ensembles. Has above normal heights here, below normal heights across western Canada and portion of the west. And temperatures during this forecast period. Temperature anomalies. During this period are, let me see, this is the GFS, still a 10 to 15 degrees below normal and above normal here. And the European has above normal, near to above normal heights across much of the nation, where as much as still 20 degrees above normal across portions of the Great Basin. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures here, above normal temperatures for much of this area, and for precipitation. We're expecting a strong Pacific jet into the west, with the trough associated with the trough in the eastern Pacific. We have above normal precipitation for the west coast, which is good news for California, and below normal precipitation for the southeast. So that is the long-range weather forecast discussion for April 20th to May 2nd. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.